Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Alight Motion and selecting the layer you want to animate. This gets you straight into the graph workflow. Tap Properties, find the numeric property, like position or scale, and add keyframes at your start and end points so the graph appears. Once done, open the graph editor icon to reveal curves. You do this because the graph converts keyframe interpolation into a visual curve, letting you shape motion precisely rather than guessing with basic easing presets. Now refine the motion by zooming and dragging key nodes so you can target micro adjustments. Zooming helps you place handles with precision. Switch between separate X and Y curves when animating position because controlling each axis avoids unwanted diagonal easing. Use the Bezier handles to shorten or stretch tangents. Shorter handles mean snappier stops, longer handles smooth the transition. Make small iterative tweaks, scrub playback, and watch how changes affect velocity so you get the exact feel you want. To finish, preview the entire timeline at normal speed and bake any procedural motion into keyframes if you plan to export or share the project. Make sure export settings match your intended resolution and codec so motion timing stays consistent. If you see jitter or unexpected spikes, pause and smooth the Bezier handles or add an intermediary keyframe to remove sudden velocity changes. Finally, save a copy of the project. That backup saves hours if you need to revert or troubleshoot later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.